Niyo? Letter B. Okay, so ayan. What is your answer? Ano yun? Hindi makita. What is right of way? Okay, that is? Okay, letter A. Yung iba, anong sagot niyo? Ay, nagtapilok. What is your right of way? Okay na. Okay, so what is your right of way, class? That is letter. Okay, pag sinabi natin right of way, that is the privilege of immediate use of particular section of highway. Tandaan nyo, that is letter B. That is the description of right of way. Again, ulitin natin, that is the immediate or that is the privilege of immediate use of particular highway. So, yan yung right of way. Ibig sabihin yung who will go first. So, that is the right of way. Okay na ba? Walang question? Okay, tandaan nyo palagi ang right of way, the privilege of immediate use of a particular section of highway. Next, it is intended to inform road users of special obligation, instructions, nor prohibitions which they must comply. Sabi niya, to inform. Tapos, merong susundin ng mga obligation and instruction. And of course, yung mga prohibition. So, what is that? Those are? Okay, so letter. Okay, those are? Okay, tama. Regulatory signs. Okay, kasi wag kayong wag kayong doon. Kasi sabi niya to inform. Okay, informative sana, no? Pero, give further, niya pa, explain. Sabi niya, obligation, instructions, nor prohibition that all drivers must comply. So that's why that is regulatory signs. Okay, that is letter C. Okay, next. Pag sinabi natin informative, of course, it will directions. Okay, so danger, yung warnings, diba? Okay, so a kind of road, according to political subdivision within town, proper right of way not less than 10 meters. What road was that? Kapag 10 meters, not less than. That is national road, municipal road, barangay road, or city road. That is? Okay, that is a municipal road. Again, natandaan nyo, that is way not less than 10 meters. That is municipal road, rather. Okay, it refers to a vehicles covered with Certificate of Public Convenience or special permit issued by LTFRB. That is, that is for hire. Ibig sabihin, for public convenience, for hire. Pag sinabi na, tanan nyo class, ang nag-i-issue yung sa franchising, LTFRB, di ba? Then, of course, kapag sa licensing naman, the LTO. Okay, di ba? So, next. Professional and non-professional driver's license is valid for how many months from the date of issuance and renewable every month? Ilan? Okay, that is? Okay, 36. Okay, 36 months. Ilang years na ngayon ang driver's license? 5 years. Kapag 10 years kapag walang violation after kapag upon renewal. Okay. It is any accident occurring on a public traffic way involving persons using vehicle or transportation but not involving a motor vehicle in motion. Kapag hindi matakbo, that is letter. Okay, that is the non-motor vehicle traffic accident. Okay, so that is non-motor vehicle traffic accident. The effectiveness of traffic law enforcement program is best measured by which of the following? Again, paano natin ma-measure yung traffic law enforcement program? That is letter A, a cutback of traffic accidents and interaction. Okay, so ayan, dapat maliit or konti lang yung nangyayari. So that's why that is the best measure na that is the best way to measure the effectiveness of traffic law enforcement. In an intersection not controlled by lights or peace officers, pedestrians have the right of way the moment it starts to cross. Totoo ba yan sa Pilipinas? Diba? Sa Pilipinas, kahit nasa pedestrian ka, nasa sagasaan ka pa, diba? Okay. Ano yan? Okay, absolutely. Okay, that is absolutely true. The moment you start to cross the pedestrian, ibig sabihin, you have all the right of way. Okay, ibig sabihin you have the right doon. Okay. So, dapat that is absolutely true. City roads interlink between municipalities and within the city with the right of way of 15 meters. What is the minimum width of sidewalk? Again, ano yung minimum width ng sidewalk, class? Nakita naman na kayo ng sidewalk, di ba? So, ano yung minimum ano niya? That is Charlie, 1.2 to 1.5 meters, class. Okay? So, yung sidewalk natin. That is 1.2 to 1.5 meters. So it refers to a modern urban system of roadway above the street level for free flow traffic. Okay, that is skyway. Okay, ang subway, sa baba yun, di ba? Okay, expressway yung mabilisan. Okay, so skyway. Ang tunnel road, syempre, sa tunnel. Okay, so yan. It refers to the enforcement actions. Overpass, ano yan? Ang overpass, ano yun? Ano nyo na lang? Paano ba i-describe natin ang overpass? Basta yung sa road, kumbaga elevated para to cross the different street. Okay, yung sa overpass. Ano lang yun? Kaya yun yung description. It refers to the enforcement action which consists of taking a person into custody for the purpose of holding or detaining him to answer a charge of law in violation of court. That is, traffic arrest. Okay, ang traffic citation, ibig sabihin bibigyan ka ng tapos warning yung understandable naman yan. Okay, so yan, that is ilang days yan? Okay, 30 days can apply for non-professional driver's license. Any motor vehicle accident that result in injury other than serious to one or more person. Other than serious, ibig sabihin not serious, di ba? So meaning that is non-fatal accident. Okay, that is a non-fatal accident. When two vehicles approach an intersection at approximately the same time, which shall give the right of way? Sino kayo ng may right of way, class? Kapag they approach the intersection in the same time. So that is, the vehicle coming from the right. Okay, so that is letter A. So again, vehicle coming from the right. So yung may right of way. Kapag yung vehicle coming from the barangay roads, tapos yung isa naman is transversing the national road, yung national road ko yung class ang may right of way. Okay, so which of the following consideration does not act as a deterrent to motorists and pedestrian? Does not act. Hindi. Fear of fine, loss of driving privilege, possibility involve an accident, or increase in insurance premium. Of course, that is letter D. Yan yung natin. Okay. So, ang fatal, ibig sabihin serious, maraming namatay. Ang non-fatal, not really serious. Okay, hindi masyado. Then, human errors as one cause of traffic congestion is best characterized by except. Pag sinabi nating poor human errors, that is letter C, effective and efficient traffic officers. Ang human error kasi, of course, poor legislation, lack of foresight, and slow drivers. So, except effective and efficient traffic and for officers kasi that is the positive naman on the choices. The following are not functions of Land Transportation Office or the LTO in charge of licensing except, anong hindi kasali dyan? Registration, rental, licensing, reparation. Okay, that is registration and licensing. Okay, so yan. Ay, tama ba? Okay, tama no? Oh, tama. Registration and licensing. So one of the following statement that best indicates the main purpose of traffic law enforcement is to, anong purpose ng traffic law enforcement? That is to prevent traffic accident and to expedite the flow of traffic para mapabilis. Okay, so that is Yan yung purpose ng traffic law enforcement, hindi to reduce traffic by punishing or violators to so that is to prevent traffic accident. What is the most common defect? Okay, what is the most common defect attributed to human element in cases of traffic vehicular accident? Of course, always babalik yan sa attitude, diba? So, attitudinal. Okay, that is letter D, attitude pa rin. Kahit meron tayong regulation, still dapat hindi pa na. Statistically, it is considered as the most common reason for public utility vehicular accident. What is the most common reason? That is, okay, always reckless driving or reckless driving. Pag sinabi kasi natin reckless driving, okay, you drive basta gusto mo lang without considering the safety of others. That is recklessness. Okay? Okay, what is the general rule for the movement of vehicular traffic in the Philippines?
Safety first.
Okay, that is no general rule. Ang safety first is the international traffic reminders. So, always keep to the right. Okay? Keep to the right. Always. Letter C. Alam naman, watch out, no? Okay. So, what would the drivers do when an emergency vehicle approaches displaying legally authorized red light and sounding siren? Anong ibig sabihin yon kapag nagre-red light? Ibig sabihin, you need to yield at the right of way and wait for the passage of the vehicle. Okay? So, that is red light. Okay? Yield. Ibig sabihin, mag-slow down ka, magpagilid ka, and wait for the passage of that vehicle. Yan yung sinatawag natin na red light. As you are driving in a public thoroughfare, you approach an intersection of traffic light with a green color on but a traffic policeman is standing at the center of intersection conducting the flow normally. As a driver, you will ignore the traffic man and follow the automatic traffic light. Yes or no? True or false? Ha?
False.
Of course, false. Okay? Siyempre, kaya nga nandyan yung traffic enforcer or traffic policeman kasi nga, siya yung susundin. Naka? Okay, tandaan nyo, kapag nandyan sila, umaandar ang traffic lights, tapos nandyan si traffic policeman, siyempre, yung traffic policeman ang susundin ninyo class. Pangalawa na lang ang traffic lights. Okay, again, ulitin natin. Si traffic policeman, traffic lights, tapos signs and symbols yung pangatlo. So, yun yung hierarchy nila. Okay, wala na tayong pakialam sa traffic lights kapag nandyan na si traffic enforcer or traffic policeman. Okay, nakuha ba? Okay, next tayo. Term used for an operator of a vehicle which strikes another vehicle, object, or person and left the scene without stopping to identify himself or to render aid. Instead of helping the injured, you run or you escape. So that is the hit and run. A systematic examination of all the facts relating to the conditions, actions, and physical features associated with motor collision or accident. So that is pag-examination na, that is a traffic accident investigation. Ang reckless driving, you don't take consideration on the safety of others. So that is reckless driving. Ang hit and run. Ang traffic engineering, sinong in charge? Traffic engineering, pataka. Okay, sorry. Well, that is DPWH, diba? That is the science of travel and movement, di ba? Okay, so ayan. Stop muna natin. Punta naman tayo sa drugs. Traffic, drugs.
DP. Department of Pedestrian.
Okay, the most effective way of regulating the vices. Again, what is the most effective way of regulating the vices o yung bisyo? That is to continued police action, sincere and honest law enforcement, or both A and B. Okay, that is letter C, syempre. Both A and B. Continued police action and sincere honest law enforcement. Okay, nakuha. Refers to a person who after prolonged and excessive intake of alcoholic beverages develop physical and psychological changes and dependence to alcohol. Okay, that is chronic alcoholics. Okay, drunkard, ibig sabihin yung mahilig na uminom, liquor addicts and alcoholics, so that is chronic alcoholics. A fermented juice or product of fruit or plants which contains alcohol, syempre that is wine. Okay, wine. It refers to a person who manages or owns a house of heel repute whereby the business of prostitution is conducted. Anong tawag natin sa kanya? Okay, that is pimp. Walang naman mama. Okay, so pimp. Okay, pimps. Refers to a person who engaged in sexual intercourse with another for hire, that is prostitution or prostitute. The procurement and transportation of women from far-flung places for immoral purposes, that is white slavery. Ibig sabihin, you engage or you profit from prostitution, so that is white slavery. This place usually lodges several numbers of factory girls, that is the call houses. Refers to a setup furnish the means which carry the gambling game. Kapag you carry the, you are an maintainer. Okay, so yan, gambling game. The anti-gambling law, of course, that is Presidential Decree 1602. That is the gambling law. Social causes of prostitution are the following, of course, that is, all of the choices: broken families, poverty, or anonymity of city life. It refers to kapag walang apparent means of subsistence, that is vagrant, syempre. Penalty provided for by law which punishes white slave trade, that is reclusion perpetua, or when you engage in the business of prostitution. Who manages the gambling, that is operator. Okay, it refers to the increasing dosage to maintain the same effect, that is to increase the dosage. Tolerance. Okay, so that is tolerance. Physical dependence, ibig sabihin, drug is a need. A dark brown resin that is collected from tops of potent cannabis sativa, that is hashish, of course. Cannabis derived from the Greek word narkotekos, meaning sleep. Of course, the other term for narcotics is opiates. It is the psychoactive agent of marijuana, that is tetrahydrocannabinol. Very basic. Codeine, which is an alkaloid of opium, is primarily used for cough reliever. Kaya nakaka-addict yung mga syrup class, di ba? Kasi may codeine yan. Who among the following acts as the chairman of the Dangerous Drug Board? That is the Secretary of Justice. Okay, that is the Secretary of the Department of Justice. Okay, originally known as Kakosezai. Okay, that is shabu. Basta Japanese class shabu yan. The most potent derivative of opium, omheko, that is morphine. Okay. The source of cocaine, which is hardly cultivated in Bolivia, that is Ereracylon coca. The most popular and latest sex drug, pag sex drugs, ecstasy or party drugs, methylene dioxide, methamphetamine, that is ecstasy. Illegal drugs modified molecularly by chemists to circumvent legal restriction. That's why it is a designer drugs. Basta molecularly modified, that is designer drugs. A law prohibits government officials to enter gambling, of course, PD 1869. Okay, offices that continues or regulates the gambling, that is the PAGCOR, that is the Philippine Amusement Gaming Corporation, that is PAGCOR. Okay, next. A scheme of distribution, chances among person who have paid to agree the valuable consideration, of course, that is lottery. Pag sinabi natin game of chance, that is gambling. Okay. So, a bet or consideration placed on gambling games. Okay, that is wager. Okay, principal alkaloid of opium, which constitute as much as 25% of the substance. Okay, that is morphine. Amphetamine is a representative of good class of stimulant known as PEP pills. Okay, that is letter B. Agency which supervises the enforcement. Supervises class. Kasi magkakamali kayo dito. The law enforcement or the enforcement of law on the prohibited and regulated drugs, that is the Dangerous Drug Board. Okay, kasi kapag implementation, that is the of course, that is the PIDEA. Wala naman si PIDEA dyan, so safe, DDB. Drugs which produce insensibility, stupor, melancholy, or dullness of the mind with delusion. Hallucinogen. Okay, sorry. That is the hallucinogen. That is letter D. Okay, kasi tama no? Delusion, hallucinogen. Depressants is the, of course, the downers. It make you, of course, diba? Stimulants naman, uppers. Okay. Chemical substance which affects a person in such a way to bring out physiological, behavioral, or emotional change. Chemical substance, that is a drug. Okay, nakuha? Drugs that produce perceptual alterations, disruption, varying emotion, that is hallucinogens. An immoral conduct or habit, depraved of mind, always vice. Wickedness of the mind kapag utak, class, or katawan, vice yan. A person who calls and takes bets for game owners and other bettors, that is Kristo.
Person who calls and bets.
Okay, bets and other bettors. Most common problem encountered by police and vice control measures is that is letter B, lack of cooperation from victims of vices. The process of undergoing or producing gradual chemical change which later becomes our sour and alcoholic. Later on, of course, naging ano na siya, or that is fermentation. The degree of and overconfidence. So that is moderate inebriation. This method of therapy of alcoholics is based on conversion and fellowship. Kapag conversion and fellowship, class, what treatment is that? Okay, is that aversion, psychotherapy, withdrawal method, program of Alcoholics Anonymous? That is aversion method. Ang psychotherapy, yung kakausapin. Withdrawal, alam niyo yung withdrawal, di ba? Kasi dumaan na rin kayo dyan. Ay, hindi pala. Okay, so hindi kasali. Okay, that is the aversion treatment. The oldest profession known to men, of course, that is prostitution. The classy type of prostitute, that is call girls. Okay, call girls yan sila. Okay, usually operated by experienced madam. Those are furnished room houses. The Golden Triangle, which 80% of illicit drugs of the world originated, is located from Thailand, Burma, and Laos border. TLM or TLB. Okay. The grass of marijuana is a crude drug made from cannabis sativa plant that contains the meal-altering ingredient. Which among the following is not an immediate effect of weed? Okay, ano yan? Anong hindi agad? Hindi kasali. That is moderate heartbeat and pulse rate. Kasi nga mabilis, di ba? Okay, so yan. Impaired reflexes, acute panic, altered sense of time, or disorientation. That is letter A. A drug obtained from the leaves of coca, a South American shrub. It is a central nervous system stimulant. That is cocaine. Okay, kay coca. A game or scheme that results which depends wholly upon the chance or hazard. Kapag game of chance, that is gambling. The study revealed that why marijuana is difficult to control is that is the plant can be easily cultivated here in the Philippines. Okay, so yan. Okay, stay safe sa biyahe. Okay, so ayan. Another one. Dito na, crime investigation. I-fast track lang to Okay, it is the type of interrogation wherein the investigator must have great knowledge of the case and it is preferable when the subject is not the talkative type. Okay, that is? Okay, that is letter. Okay, anong natin dito? That is the question and answer type. Very good. What should the investigator do to protect while and transport those collected evidence from the crime scene? Seal it, mark it, piece it properly, or label it? That is to seal it, di ba? Okay, of course, na-pack na yan, na-mark na yan, and na-label na yan. Shadowing has the following purpose, except. What is shadowing? That is, ano yung hindi kasali? To establish, to detect, to locate. Of course, that is to locate wanted person. Okay, so yan, that is letter C. A wanted to kill B. The former pointed his gun to the latter as A pressed the trigger, the gun jumped, and B managed to escape. This is example of that is attempted felony. Siyempre. A kind of recognition whereby the description and characters may be vague, the identification is difficult. That is unknown fugitives. These methods of determining finding the best way to remedy specific cause or causes of complaint or grievance refers to what procedure is that? Of course, grievance procedures. A type of informant reveals information with no consequence. Of course, that is false informant kasi produced from the thin air. Ang double crosser, mas marami pa siyang nakuha sa nabigay niya. Mercenary in exchange of money. Frightened, of course, takot niya lang. Clandestine operation in police parlance, of course, that is surveillance. Okay, so that is surveillance. It is an art. Investigation, ILP. Special investigation is more on the, of course, physical evidence. But of course, a modus operandi is a person who provides an investigator with confidential information. Okay, wish to know what that is? Confidential informants. Vigorous questioning of one who is reluctant to divulge information, that is interrogation. A compilation of photographs, that is the cartographic sketch. Okay. This is a method, or this is an element of crime wherein one is induced to commit a crime. Okay, that is a motive, bobo po. Okay, moving power. In a police lineup, okay, that is how many? Kapag police lineup, that is 7 to 10 person. It is the physical possibility the suspect could have committed a crime. Could have. That is the opportunity. Yan yung kailangan natin i-eliminate. Motive in giving information when the informant delights in giving information to gain favorable attention to the police. That is vanity, syempre. Gusto niyo magpapansin. Employed where a general impressions of the subject habits associated are required. That is loose, tail, shadowing. Ibig sabihin, hindi mo siya, ano. Okay, kapag close, saan? Paraging sinusundan. More advantageous because it permits immediate changes of men and less likely to be recognized. That is two-man shadow. This is a method. Proceed slowly at the same place. Of course, parang hindi na ito itatanong pero ang sagot natin dyan, that is a strip method. Parallel. Okay, search is divided into quadrant, zone. Tama? Ang spiral naman, wheel, alam nyo na yan. The surroundings of the crime scene must be photographed to show the relative location and distances. That is an overall photograph. Made by the investigator at the crime scene. That is, okay, rough sketch. Okay. Kapag i-present sa korte, finish. The most common reason is discharging informants. I-discharge na burnout na, syempre. Okay, so yan. Objects usually utilized in marking evidence, of course, that is the stylus pen, letter A. A form of investigation in which an investigator assumes a different and unofficial identity. Kapag you assume, that is roping. Okay. Interrogation fitted for the subjects who are willing to talk. Siyempre, that is a narrative type. Siyempre, isa sa laysay niya ngayon. Method employed by the police to deprive the liberty of a person taken into custody. Okay, that is all of the choices. Restraint, detaining, and protective custody. Necessary to determine the appearance of the crime scene as well as the objects, what naturally occurred, and what were the circumstances of the crime. That is the reconstruction of the crime. Kapag physical, i-role play, mental, sa utak yan. Naka? So, ang all in all, ang tawag natin doon is reconstruction of crime. Paid informant, syempre, that is mercenary. Most common type of shadowing, that is the one-man shadow. Articles and materials that are found in connection with the crime scene, that is the, okay, so kapag that is to establish the identity of the perpetrator, that is associative evidence. Instrumental detection of deception, of course, that is polygraph testing. When a subject is in a prone position, what type of search should be implemented? That is floor search. This is ordinarily made at the time of the scene of the arrest. That is preliminary search of a person. Most likely place to look for the fingerprints of theft in an automobile. Saan natin makikita? Of course, that is sa door handles. Uses and seemingly desire to give information to talk to law enforcement in order to get more information from them than he gives. That is the double crosser. Ibig sabihin, mas marami pa siyang nakuha compare sa ano niya. That profession, of course, identification and the evaluation of physical science, natural sciences, and the matters of law and science. What is that? Okay, that is a criminalistics. Ang chemist naman sa mga chemicals and substances. It is one of all ingredients of the offense are committed in one place. That is, kapag one place, local crimes, transitory on the different places. The number of persons who handle the pieces of evidence, that is, from its creation to disposal, that is the chain of custody. A declaration made under consciousness of an impending death, that is, dying declaration. Kapag nabuhay siya, it will only be part of the res gestae. Principles of science applied to law enforcement, that is, forensic, the science that studies other sciences. Evidence which offers least resistance to decomposition. Ang pinakamatagal, okay, that is hair. The explanation of any symbols used to identify objects in a sketch. Okay, that is a legend. Such articles and evidence which assist the investigator of locating the suspect. Alitralo. Okay, that is tracing evidence. Objects or substances which are essential part of the body of the crime. Corpus delicti. The primary consideration in transporting evidence is to properly pack the packing to protect the evidence while in transit. General rule in handling pieces of evidence, of course, always the MAC principle, never move, alter, or cut. Then, in handling clothing used as evidence, the stained areas are usually encircled. What is the primary objective? To show points of interest. If blood is in fluid condition, what added to preserve the specimen? Okay, that is saline solution class kapag fluid condition pa ang blood. Hindi pa tumigas. It is the surprise invasion of building kapag building, that is a raid. Primary requisite for conducting raids, of course, dapat may search warrant. A public officer, when not being authorized by judicial order, shall enter the dwelling of another. That is, violation of domicile since it is a public officer, qualified trespass to dwelling kapag that is a private person. A person undergoing custodial investigation enjoy his constitutional rights, namely, kapag custodial class, the right to remain silent. Okay, yan yung pinakauna class kapag suspect. A type of informant reveals information with no consequence, that is, false informants, of course, staff of connected or TINEA, is one which ingredients of the offense are committed in many places, that is transitory crime. Kapag it is committed in one place, local crime. The primary job of an investigator is to determine whether the crime has been committed. In order to determine such, he must acknowledge so-called cardinal points. Siyempre, 6 cardinal points, the 5 W's and 1 H, or the Kipling methods. In bank robbers, this person is in charge of the transportation by stealing, wheelman. Refers to the standard arrow designating the north to facilitate proper sketch orientation, that is compass direction. A search method, of course, in one path, proceeding toward the center, spiral method. Taking into custody, the describe, of course, that is the seizure, kukunin. So that is seizure, kukunin. A method of criminal identification whereby the perception of witness are key criminals identified by the fiction. What is that? Okay, that is verbal description. Instrument used to open or close fire hydrants. Okay, those are hydrant key. Alam niyo naman ang sprinkler class, di ba? Okay, ito yung cryogenic. Okay, nature results of reaction of elements. Rapid drop. Lowest temperature. Kapag lowest temperature, ang tanda nyo? That is the kindling temperature. Okay, ang ignition temperature? Okay, so yan. Flash point. The temperature in which flammable liquid from vapor-air mixture that ignites. That is a ignition temperature. Minimum temperature. Pag minimum, anong tanda nyo? Okay, that is a fire point. Okay, the self-contained combustion without the addition of outside sources. An exothermic chemical change. Pag sinabi natin exothermic chemical change, automatic, that is oxidation. Of course, oxidizing agent, okay, react with oxidizing agent, which is the oxygen. Rapid oxidation accompanied by heat. That is combustion or burning. Okay? A chemical decomposition of matter through the action of heat. That is pyrolysis. Decomposition, that is pyrolysis. Measure the rate of flow of heat. That is thermal conductivity. Ang fission class is yung pagbungkag sa Bisaya, o ibig sabihin paghiwalay. So that is fission. Okay, a means of heat transfer when energy travels through space or wave. Radiation. Conduction through a medium. Convection from warmer to colder parts sa liquids naman. Fission yung pagbungkag daw. It is legally classified as arson instead of the purpose with a motive. Kapag arson, intentional fire. Nako, malicious and willful burning of building, that is arson. First element known to man, of course, colorless, tasteless, that is oxygen. Okay, supports life and fire. Known as ignition heat. Refers to to start a fire. That is anong sagot natin dyan? Ano nga? Okay, ignition heat, it refers to any contrivance to start a fire. Fuel, oxygen heat. Okay, yung sa tetrahydro. Sorry. Okay, yung CC, chemical chain reaction. Refers to the gases liberated by heat. That is free radicals. Refers to the normal pattern of or movement of fire. That is thermal balance. Okay, thermal balance. In this phase of the fire, maximum heat and destructive capabilities is developed. Kapag ano na, that is pre-burning, tuloy-tuloy, di ba? Initial, okay, start to grow, or initial or incipient, di ba? Tapos pre-burning, smoldering yung ano na class, yung pag, ano na, last na. A burn pattern or inverted cone indicates burn pattern, or what is that? Inverted cone rather, that is the fingerprint of fire. An occurrence with the heat has brought the combustible portion of the ceiling to their ignition temperature. Sudden burst, that is flash over. Ang backdraft rather, that is the sudden explosion because of the introduction of the oxygen, di ba? An explosive condition in the smoldering phase, a result of a sudden introduction of oxygen. O nasabi ko na na-memorize, no? That is backdraft, okay? Backdraft. Which among the following is the primary objective investigating fires? Okay, that is to determine its cause. Kung ano yung pinagmulan niya. Tama? Okay. Reason why fire investigation is unique. Okay, it does not conform with regular investigative procedure. They are fires caused by unforeseen acts of God. That is providential, syempre. Kapag intentional, arsonist. A combination of the elements, namely fuel, of course, that is fire triangle. Pero nandyan pa rin ang fire triangle sa TOS class, ha? Pero alamin nyo dapat na meron tayong tinatawag na, okay, the fire tetrahedron or the CHOP. Okay. The most important part, triangle, of course, fuel. A means by heat transport by circulating medium, medium, gas pala, or liquid, convection, kapag medium lang, that is conduction. Heated transport by circulating medium, of course, convection pa rin yan. Incomplete combustion. What is that? Okay, formed by the incomplete combustion of acetylene or natural, that is soot. Matters made up of fine particles, condensed vapor, or a result of combustion, that is smoke, or that is the product of incomplete combustion. Incandescent gases accompanied by oxidation. Those are flame or the visible luminous body. Okay, so that is the visible luminous body. Conduction, sir, medium. Yes, medium conduction. Tama naman, di ba? Okay, sige, next. Okay, the threat to RRs and investigator after fire has been contained. Ano yung threat sa kanila? That is the falling debris. Siyempre yung mga mahuhulog, no? Color smoke produced accompanied by red flames. Kapag red flames indicates the burning of, okay, nitrogen products. Kapag black naman, class, or rubber. Okay, rubber naman ang nasusunog. Which among the following is the commonly used fire-resistant materials? Okay, asbestos. Okay, asbestos. Common source of accidental fire is, ano yon? Overloading. Of course, palagi overloading. Lahat ng sobra is pangit. Okay, a device used by an arsonist to spread the fire within the room or throughout the structure. That is, to spread. Mabilis. Okay, trailer. Kapag mabilisan, ano yon? Those are accelerant. Usually comes in the form of combustible liquid which is contrivance to the hose and the start of fire. Okay, those are accelerants. Okay, ayan. Tuhasin, ibig sabihin, mabilisin ang pag-apula or ano ng fire. Most common reason of arson cases, of course, that is for profit, for economic gain. Results of slow oxidation of combustible material. Okay, that is, okay, so ayan. Spontaneous combustible, pabilisan kasi yan. Refers to the preparation and gathering of materials to start a fire. Preparation, plants. Acts that would remove or neutralize the fire hazard. Okay, abatement. The burning of low-grade heavily oils with sufficient air forms, the black commonly known as, those are soot. Okay. The use of more electrical devices. Okay, ibig sabihin which draw or consume electrical current beyond the design capacity. That is overloading. Okay, ang jumper naman, alam niyo na yun, ginagawa niyo yun eh. Okay, joke lang. One of the following is exempted from paying 0.1% the assessed value of the building. Okay, yung mga department stores. Enclosed vertical passage that extend from floor to floor as well as from the base to the top of the building.
Vertical.
Okay, that is the vertical shaft. Okay, very good. Designed to prevent the spread of fire from one building to adjacent construction. Okay, that is a fire wall, di ba? A prerequisite to grant permit by local government for particular safety inspection. The heat transfer by direct contact from one body to another. Conduction. Very good. An active principle of burning that is characterized by heat and light of combustion, that is fire. Changes whereby heat is absorbed before the reaction takes place. What is that? Before. That is endothermic reactions. Okay, endothermic. Product of an incomplete combustion, syempre, that is soot or that is the, kuminsan, smoke. Color of luminous flame, luminous. Okay, that is red. Non-luminous? Okay, that is, okay, na-explain na natin yan. Refers to the amount of heat, release. Okay, that is heat of combustion. Refers to the quantity of heat, that is latent heat. Refers to the, mabilis na lang kasi kulang tayo ng oras. Refers to the gases that remain when products of use are cooled to the normal temperature. Combustion gases. Fire caused by human error. That is accidental. Providential kapag acts of God. Intentional kapag arsonist. Primary component of wood. That is merong carbon. During this phase, the burnt invented cone pattern or fire developed, that is, initial phase. Phase whereby the fire can no longer support the flame, that is, pre-burning phase. Most effective way of regulating vices is to continued police action and sincere and honest law enforcement. It refers to prolonged excessive intake, sobra-sobra. Okay, that is, chronic alcoholics, inulit ko lang. A fermented wine. Refers to a person who manages, that is pimp. Refers to a person engages in sexual intercourse. Prostitute. The procurement and transportation of women, that is white slavery for the purpose of profiting in prostitution. The place usually lodges several numbers of factory. Okay, call houses. Refers to the person set up. Okay, maintainer. Anti-gambling, PD 1602. Social causes of prostitution, lahat yan. Refers to a person having no apparent means of vagrants. Penalty provided for by the law punishes white slave trade. Okay, reclusion perpetua. Gambling, operator. Increasing dosage, tolerance. Dark brown reason kapag sa cannabis, hashish. Narcoticos, opiates. Psychoactive of marijuana, tetrahydrocannabinol. Codeine, cough reliever, kaya nakaka-addict. Who among the following is the chairman? Secretary of Justice. Very good. Okay, meaning of walking drugs, that is shabu sa Japan. The most potent derivative of opium, omheko, morphine. Source of cocaine, okay, erythrocylon coca. The most popular sex drug or party drugs, ecstasy. Illegal drugs, molecularly modified by chemists. Designer drugs. Law prohibits government officials 1869 to enter gambling. Regulates the gambling, the PAGCOR, the Philippine Amusement Gaming Corporation. The scheme or distribution of prizes, lottery, game of chance, okay, wage, the bet or consolation place, gambling. Principal alkaloid, morphine. Amphetamine, pep pills. Agency, supervises, DDB. Drugs produces, okay, that is, so depressant. Okay, chemical substance to bring psychological, emotional change, drug. Drugs that produce perceptual alteration, i-alter niya, hallucinogens. An immoral conduct, vice, wickedness of the mind. Person who bets from crime crackers, Cristo. Most commonly, okay, lack of cooperation from the victim of vices. The process of producing gradual chemical change. Fermentation. The degree of intoxication becomes argumentative. Moderate. This method of therapy of alcoholics based on conversion. Aversion treatment. Psychotherapy, kakausapin. Withdrawal is yung oldest profession. Prostitution. Classy type, Call girls. Okay, furnished room houses. The golden triangle. Okay, BLT. Okay, grass of marijuana. Okay, so moderate heart kasi that is in opposite. A drug obtained. Coca. That is cocaine. A game or scheme. Gambling. Okay, that is the plant is easily cultivated here. The forceful questioning, that is interrogation. Information gathered, initiative. Okay, cultivated, sources. Taxi drivers and etc. Sympathetic approach, or the extenuation. Okay, so it does not consider the subject discretion. It is a self-incriminatory statement, subject falling short of an acknowledgement of guilt. Not an acknowledgement of guilt. Kapag sinabi natin falling short, it is not. So meaning that is, okay, that is admission. Okay, naka? Pag tanabi natin falling short class, ibig sabihin is not. Okay? So that is admission. Kasi guilt sana, confession yun, no? Pero, it refers to a police, okay pa yung mata mo? Para mahulog na, ha? To a police, photograph of criminals, their modus operandi. That is, rogues gallery. Okay, it is the general questioning of all persons at the crime scene. That is, okay, field inquiry. Bilisan na natin to. It is a distinct pattern of how crime is committed. Okay, that is the modus operandi or sophisticated means. It refers to the information, of course, voluntarily. They are informant. Informer kapag in exchange of mercenary or reward. It is a method of search whereby the searcher will proceed the same place, parallel, strip. Okay, ito ang tawag natin dito is general to specific. It should be taken. Okay, general to specific. Okay, that is the deductive reasoning. It is the simplest and the most effective way of showing actual measurement. That is sketch. What kind of sketch? Okay, that is sketch of locality, yung neighboring buildings. Elements of sketch, dapat all of the choices, measure, legend. During the custodial investigation, Jason was subjected to physical harm, that is physical torture. A person who killed his spouse but is entitled to the benefits of Article 247, okay, destierro. Unit now charged with the field operation or the SOCO or the forensic unit na ngayon. In the crime of theft, the corpus delicti is the, of course, that is the property taken. One of the elements of sketch, graphical representation, okay, of course, indicate the north direction or proper orientation. The rules to be observed in intervening witness, saving faces. In case there is no other available means of establishing the age of the offender, what should be done? Of course, resolve the issues in favor of the declarant. The desk officer, upon receipt of the crime incident, shall have the following duties except, of course, immediately respond to the crime scene kasi iba yan. Record, made a synopsis, inform. What is the area located adjacent to the crime scene? Those are, okay, command post. It is primary crime scene to the team. Photograph the crime scene before walking through the scene kasi to preserve the integrity of the scene. What is the purpose of conducting final survey of the scene? That is to check all the evidence gathered from the crime scene. After the conduct of final survey, the team leader to whom will the crime shall be turned over. Saan? That is the investigator of the case. Kung sino nag-start ng investigation, sa kanya rin iti-turn over. All physical evidence found and collected at the crime scene to be transported to the crime laboratory or forensic laboratory. Okay, no, only those which require further laboratory examination will be transported or further examination will be conducted. Okay, once the crime scene has been thoroughly documented and the locations of the evidence was noted, the collection process begins and will usually start with, okay, that is the fragile evidence. Who conducts the final survey of the scene? Okay, that is the team leader. This is produced by forcible conduct of the body by sharp edge instrument. Sharp edge. Okay, that is incised wound. Okay, what is the means of identifying physical evidence? Investigation is date and time. That is marking, identifying. Okay, labeling. Alam niyo yung labeling, di ba? And tagging. Okay, last question. A knife found at a crime scene to be used as evidence should be marked where? Okay, saan?